welcome back to MSX Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to unlock the D1.3 Spectre special weapon in Call of Duty Black Ops 6 Warzone. Let's get straight into the video. So just make your way over to weapons, loadouts, and it should say under special that the gun itself is unlocked, and I believe it says the gun is unlocked in armory. But if you want to actually unlock it, all you have to do is make your way over to event. From the event, go over to the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle event, and then from here it will be the last one right here. It should be free. All you have to do, I believe, is get to 37,000 XP. Yeah, it should be free. You also get this skin for free as well. The top one is, I believe, you have to spend $10 for it. However, the bottom is completely free, so you are able to unlock the weapon, I believe, after you reach 37. I think that's 300. So that's 370,000 XP. Once you reach that amount of XP, you are able to unlock the gun. And that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.